Hey everyone, and welcome back to another Internet Guru. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove a domain from your Lovable AI website. First, open Chrome on your computer and search for Lovable AI. Log in and open your project. Once your project is open, look at the top left corner and click on the menu option, then select Settings. In the Settings menu, you'll see several options like Project Settings, Domains, Analysis, Page Speed, Knowledge, and Security. Click on Domains. Here, you'll see a Remove button next to the domain you want to delete. Click Remove, then confirm the action, and you're done. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from another Internet Guru. Thanks for watching.